Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, see this video.
Good day, my lovely viewers. It's your girl Zita Lee. My full name is Ezechindalu Perpetua Zita. I'm 14 years old in SS3 class. Today, I'll be cutting and sewing a circle flake gown with my hand, just using needle and thread. I know you'll be surprised to hear this, but just watch to see how I'll do it. My fabric. Just get a fabric. Then this is my measuring tape. Then the scissors, thread, black thread. This is the hand needle. I got a pack of it. Then this is the chalk and my office pin. Okay. It's still the same 7. I told you this part is going off, that is 4. So you minus that part that is going off, then you take the 7. Just curve it. Then for this is the armhole part, this is the neck part. I don't want my neck to be just straight like this. I want it to curve a little bit. I don't want it to be straight. I want it to curve just a little bit. So you just take 1 inch here. Then you just take it from here. Now, this is it. You just take it like this. Then you take the measurements of your bust. We call here bust, we call here waist, then here hip. Now I'll take the measurement of my bust. I want mine to be a little bit free, not that bogus. So I just take it to be 34 because I want it to be a little bit free. 34. Now you divide by 4. Divided by 4 is 8 and a half. Now under this armhole part, just take 8 and a half. Then you add your allowance of 2 inches. Nice. Okay, this is the down part.
This is the front. This is it. You can see it very well. Okay. I told you at first that everybody have different styles, different pattern of doing their things, different ways of doing their things. So some people, if they want to cut the back, they just use the same measurements to cut the back, while some will just...
You see this video? This is a video of, I think, 11 years old girl will be good fashion designer. You understand? She's into this fashion stuff, but she never fit get equipment like sewing machine, pressing iron, cutting table, and some few things which she need as a fashion designer. That is the reason why I'm doing this video. The reason why I'm doing this video is because first, this is a young person who is passionate and talented that deserves the support we all can give. She is in Lagos, Nigeria. Now my friend Naisian, then he now called me and told me, say, see somebody where I see. I told him, locate the family of the girl, locate the house, make this video, send it for me, let's put it on the media space to solicit help for this girl. Now Christmas period with this, so she needs sewing machine. Anything where you go fit take help this small girl career as a fashion designer, please do it. Please do it. You will see the phone number on the screen. Now the phone number of the mama of the girl, that you can call the mother. Anyway, anything where you want me, you take support them. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. We must learn to catch them young. We must learn to appreciate young talent, because we are in a generation whereby a lot of people have been misled with so much wrong narrative of shortcut to make money. If we not feel encourage younger generation, say there is dignity in labor, there is reward for hard work, then it go dey very difficult. Please, my brothers and sisters, any one of you seeing this video, I beg you sincerely, remove sentiment, remove tribal sentiment, remove all form of sentiment from your heart, and let's support this young girl. It is very important, because as we do, others will be encouraged, and she on her own, she will become useful to herself, she will become useful to the society, she will become useful to every one of us. We must learn to support young talent. Thank you.